Connect between USB-C enabled devices, new MacBook, Chromebook Pixel. Reversible connector. 10 gigabits per second data transfer rate. 5A charging output. 3.3 feet, 1 meter length. The Belkin 3.1 USB-C to USB-C cable allows you to experience up to 10 gigabits per second transfer speeds, up to 20x faster than USB 2.0, 480 megabits per second, 12x faster than FireWire 800, and 2x faster than USB 3.0, 5 gigabits per second. You can also quickly and safely charge your USB-C device as well as sync your photos, music and data to your existing USB-C enabled device. With a sleek and low-profile connector, this cable's minimal design harnesses the incredible power within. You will be amazed at the difference USB 3.1 makes. USB 3.1 SuperSpeed Plus offers a whole new level of connectivity. Transfer data at incredible speeds, charge other devices, and even power mobile devices, all with just one cable. Quickly becoming the new universal standard, USB 3.1 is already supported by Windows, Google, and Mac operating systems, as well as many device manufacturers. Top reviews from the United States. Amazing cable. This is the best USB-C cable you can buy. If you have a rapid charger, this is the cable you need. I bought a Google 45W USB-C power adapter, white, and using the Belkin cable with this charges my Pixel 4 XL in 15 minutes from 20% to 100%. It's amazing.